All right, Tesla fam, let's dive into how you can find your Tesla referral code and start sharing the Tesla love. 1. Open the Tesla app. First, grab your phone and open the Tesla app. Make sure you're logged into the account associated with your Tesla vehicle. 2. Go to Lootbox or Referrals. On the app's home screen, look for the Lootbox or Referrals section. This is where Tesla stores your referral code. Tap on it to access your unique link or code. 3. Copy your code. Once inside, you'll see your referral code prominently displayed. Tap on it to copy the code or link directly to your clipboard. 4. Share the code. Now, share your code with friends and family through text, email, or social media. They can use it for exclusive benefits like supercharging credits or discounts when buying their Tesla. 5. Track your referrals. The app also lets you track how many people have used your referral code and the rewards you've earned. That's it. Finding and sharing your Tesla referral code is quick and easy. And be sure to check out the link in the description to find out ways to upgrade your ride even further.